Welcome to our Parsimony tutorial on managing issue types within the support module. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and using issue types to categorize and manage customer support requests more effectively. Let's begin by navigating to the support module on the Parsimony dashboard. Click on Support to access the tools for managing customer issues and support requests. Within the support module, you can manage various support-related activities, including issues, maintenance visits, and customer feedback. Today, we're focusing on the issue type function. To manage issue types, click on the Issue Type option. Here, you'll see a list of all the issue types that have been created in your system. You can filter and search through these to find specific records. To create a new issue type, click on the Add button. Now, you're on the New Issue Type form. Let's fill out the details for a new issue type. First, enter the name of the issue type. This should be a clear and concise label that describes the category of the issue. For example, technical support, billing query, or product feedback. Provide a detailed description of the issue type. This helps your team understand what kind of issues fall under this category. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, click Save to create the issue type. The issue type is now created and logged in your system. You can now use this issue type when logging new issues or updating existing ones. Great job! You've successfully learned how to manage and use issue types in Parsimony. Categorizing issues effectively helps in streamlining your support process and improving customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching this tutorial.